Are you filing any reply? Liberty was granted.
As on no, as on date no, and I'll be seeking an extension, insofar as item the person in
Why, Mr. Bhattacharya? Because this was passed on the 2nd of May.
undoubtedly. Now, I have to. I'm telling you, for your lordship, that at the outset, I'm telling that the gentleman concerned, contempt number 8 is concerned. He has the highest regards for the judiciary, and he has not.
This is in CRLCP
7.
What is the name of your client?
Mr. Kunal Ghosh.
The others are not represented. The other alleged contempt. You are appearing for all the others, right?
all 7.
Your opposition, those are ready. Why? Let us hear Mr. Bhattacharya.
Insofar as the contempt number 8 is concerned, whatever allegations for which he has been roped in the contempt, he was first of all not even there, on the date of incident. He was, giving a press, bite or something, there was a ETV program, somewhere in News 18 program in Rajarhat, and at the material point of time when this incident complaint of took place, he was not there.
That interview was given after or
no, during
this incident?
No, that incident on that particular day, for a different program altogether.
Yes, but
not related to this
after
program.
this or before this?
During.
Mr. Bhattacharya, whatever it is, we can't accept whatever you orally say from the bar.
An affidavit,
Why this delay? This is we are asking.
It is
2nd of May.
Yes, I tell you a lot. An affidavit was made ready. Incidentally, yesterday, since Mr. Chakraborty entered appearance on the previous day for the contempt on number 8, from the learned Advocate General's office, an email was circulated containing some report of the commissioner. It was circulated to us. So on going to it, it transpired that maybe some more time will be required just to come back to your lordship with my defense. But prima facie, your lordship may accept this. He was not even there, fairly connected with the event.
Who is appearing for is the commissioner represented?
This is the precise reason I told you, lordship, on the other day, that a rule be issued, then everybody will come. If rule is not issued, extend the time, kindly extend the time.
My client is present in
Malata,
no question of presence.
Malata, in regard to this, Raju Das and others, just now I have already received his copy in which was served by the appellate side registers. I have already obtained this Dhokalatanama.
Since we are represented today in number 7, you are for 127.
Mr. Mojumdar was given the impression that he is appearing for 127.
Yes.
Today
I am appearing on behalf of the CLP by 5, 6 and 7.
He is appearing for all the contempt notes.
All the contempt.
In 5, 6 and 7, all the contempt notes.
No, except 7 except Kunal Ghosh.
7 except Kunal Ghosh.
So,
Where is your letter of authority?
Dhokalatanama has been signed by them.
All of them.
All of them. May I
a person at serial number 8, he is personally present, and he is fought, irrespective of anything, he fought any of his conduct, any contumacious act has taken. In any event,
We did not direct that.
Abundant precaution, I advised him to be present in court, because in the event,
You have not filed the affidavit in opposition. So as of
for that reason, it is ready. I can show your lordship the what if, in my senior's language, but it is there. But I did not, I am not hiding it only because of yesterday's affidavit was circulated, and that too, quite late in the night. I mean, in the evening.
Lordship, the other day, that merely issuing a notice, they will come and say, kindly extend it, will only delay matters. So if a rule is issued, then they have to do it. So as of now, nothing has been controverted, but has been raised as facts.
Very well. Issue. Yes, Mr. Kushal, we are issuing rule against all
Deeply obliged, my lord.
because
Deeply
in
obliged.
spite of direction, affidavit has not been filed.
Deeply
So
obliged,
there
my
is
lord.
no explanation as of today on oath.
Deeply obliged, my lord.
They let them answer the rule.
According to your allegation, Mr. Ghoshal, he sat with them.
Lordship, there's a link. Lordship will kindly take paragraph 7, my lord, once, my lord.
Stated that with
Yes.
above mentioned persons.
Yes. Yes, my lord. Precisely, my lord. That is my instructions, my lord.
So regarding those 16 other persons, let us go through the report first. On the next date, we'll do whatever is necessary.
By 3 days,
No, no.
we shall come.
No, Mr. This is a very serious thing. We are not sending them to jail. We are not. Answer the rule. Issue.
That pursuant to your lordship's liberty, my lord, granted incorporated law society.
Did we grant that liberty in the order?
Yes, yes. On the last occasion.
Everything that anybody will file will be circulated amongst all appearing counsel. There should be total transparency. We are directing circulation of the commissioner's report also, so that everybody sees it. Oh, very well, you have received.
And we shall circulate.
Now, near now.
Usually continue to file the proper.
এখানে ফাইল করবে ডিপার্টমেন্ট
Usually to file the
Why should you require our leave?
half an hour.
Now they go and file it in course of the day. Yes.
My name will be there.
Oh, you have circulated it already. To allow us to consider the report and come by issue. Dekho. Report filed on behalf of the Commissioner of Police be kept with the records. Paragraph. Affidavit filed on behalf of Incorporated Law Society be also retained with the records. Paragraph. Our order dated May 2, 2025, we had recorded that prima facie we are satisfied of commission of criminal contempt by the alleged contemnors. Stop. We had granted liberty to the alleged contemnors to file their replies within a fortnight from the date of receipt of notice. Stop. Paragraph. Today, all the alleged contemnors are represented through learned advocates. Stop. None of them has filed any affidavit in response to any affidavit. Stop. Paragraph. There will be a rule against the alleged contemnors. Stop. The rule is made returnable 2025. Learned advocate representing the Incorporated Law Society is requested to circulate the affidavit filed today, amongst the other appearing advocates. Since the report of the Commissioner of Police has already been circulated amongst learned advocates, we do not pass any direction for circulating the same once again. What? We have issued a rule now. Answer the rule. Answer the rule. June 16 at 12:30 p.m.